Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to do a video about LeadsLeap here. I've done a lot of videos about LeadsLeap and I just love this platform. Like a lot of people who subscribe to my channel know, and people who follow me know that I love this platform, and I promote this platform very enthusiastically because it's allowed me to earn well over $12,000. So as you can see here, I've earned over $12,000 in the last few years. And I earn, now, things are just built up, and it's a very stable residual income. What do I mean by that? I mean, it basically it's just running in the background. It covers all my needs in terms of marketing tools, everything in here. It generates me leads. I've got everything I need in here, and my funnels and everything that I do. Basically, I have this running in the background, and it's something that my entire team can use. So I'm earning easily well over $1,000 a month with this, and it's just been going on every single month. It's very stable, and I don't really consciously promote this. Certainly I upload videos, as many of you know, but I don't really consciously promote this on the front end of my funnels. I have this running on the back end of my funnels. I focus on my primary businesses such as Live Good, and this is a tool that's always hard coded into my funnels. And by promoting my main businesses and focusing on my day-to-day stuff, this just gets promoted automatically. And because many of the members have upgraded. And why have they upgraded? I mean, they don't have to necessarily. There's a huge amount of value as a free member, and we welcome free members wholeheartedly. You can get a free membership for life, and you get a lot of value for this. But why do a lot of people upgrade with this platform when you're promoting in the right way? Well, basically because you yourself as the marketer can actually provide a lot of value. Not only what you're getting from LeadsLeap itself, but you can also provide additional of your own value. What do I mean by that? Okay, basically you can you can provide share codes. You can provide share codes of the pages that you create, or you can get my share codes, and once you've imported those share codes into your account, you are then the person of value, and you can give those share codes out to your team. So, I'm just saving you the time because I've already created all the share codes. So you'll get that when you join my LeadsLeap. But you've got to reach out to me, and when you come through my funnels, in most cases, you'll have already gotten that. And a lot of my videos here on YouTube are already sharing the share codes that we've got, that you'll get access to when you join my LeadsLeap. So why are people? So as I say, people upgrade because they get that extra value. Not only what they get from LeadsLeap, which is incredible, but they also get my share codes, and you can pass those share codes on to others. So basically, in a sense, you're getting sort of rebranding tools. You're branding what you create as your own, and I've saved you the time and hassle because I've created those share codes that you can send on and pass on to other people. You can bring them into your account, you can edit them, and then you can share them, or you can share them as is. So they basically share. You can get the share codes for pages that I've created, such as the funnels, the lead capture pages, the landing pages, and various other things. You can also get the share codes for various things like pop-ups, that really generate leads, and you can create full-blown training systems. I've created a great training system. I mean, give you an example. I've created this 7-day fast start guide. This was all created 100% in LeadsLeap. Okay, so you got a full 7 days, and when you get to the day 5, you'll learn how to set that up if you so choose to do that. But they're all templates that are all done for you. You get the share codes that are here. You get even as a free member, you can copy these share codes here. If you're a paid member, you can get access to the entire funnel, because you can also copy the funnel code as well. But that's just an example. So what I want to share with you guys in this video is the fact that I'm just simply earning a very lucrative hands-free passive income. All right, I look after my team, absolutely, because I've provided the, video courses. I've provided a full-blown video training on everything LeadsLeap, like an A to Z video training on how to run your LeadsLeap. You didn't necessarily particularly need all that, but it helps a lot of people because it really goes into detail about a lot of stuff. But we've already got the tutorials here. If on every page you get access to a tutorial and a searchable database every page, and you can also mouse over the icons here just to learn more about what you need to know. So I'm earning about $1,000 residually. That's hands-free. It's every month, and I'm going to do a quick withdrawal. Okay, so I'm going to share with you. I'm going to do a withdrawal of currently $751. Okay. As you can see here, I've got pending commissions. What does pending commissions mean? Okay, so pending commissions means, as you mouse over here, actually, where is it? Actually, it doesn't say, but if you go to tutorial, you can say, why is there a pending commission or whatever, and you can click on here and it explains it. Okay, but basically, pending commissions mean, what it means is that they're withholding the commissions for up to 60 days, in case there's a chargeback or anything like that. It's a solid system, guys. It really is, and that's why since it's been around since 2008. You want a good, solid system. It wouldn't even affect you once you're in this and you've been in for months and you're just running. It doesn't even affect me because I have a very consistent about $1,000 a month. I can withdraw $1,000 a month. As you can see, $2,000. If we're talking 60 days here, it's actually $1,000 a month. Every 30 days, I'm earning just over $1,000 a month just with LeadsLeap alone, and I can just send that money out to straight into my bank account. So far, I've withdrawn almost $10,000, or $9,367. I've withdrawn to my bank. Other funds go straight back into funding the system because I'm a pro member and I've never really paid for this system. It's just so this is basically what I'm saying. It's completely hands-free. So the money just goes straight into my bank account. Okay, so I get $1,000. I pretty much get $1,000 a month, and then obviously in your case, it really depends on your work ethics. My results are not typical. It depends on what you're willing to do and the efforts you're willing to put in. So you just click the button. You obviously have to set this all up in your profile settings. Just go up to profile, set up how you get paid, and you can get paid to PayPal. You can get paid to Wise, which will then transfer immediately automatically into your bank account. There is an option for Bitcoin, but it's not functioning at the moment, as you'll see by the description here. But anyway, when you click here, it'll ask you how much you want to put in. I'm going to set the way that I like to get paid straight into my bank account, and then I just simply click submit. Okay, and then it gives you a thank you, and it pays up to you make the payment within 7 days. It usually takes within hours, or a day or two maybe. It's really that simple. So the withdrawal is pending, and I'll receive that straight into my bank account. It's really that simple. So don't underestimate the power of this incredible platform. It really is a powerful platform. I get people joining this every single week. Lots of people just join this pretty much every week. I've got my personally enrolled people, 617 people. My entire team is 4,784, and it's just I get people coming in here, and joining every week. A lot of people are just upgrading. When they upgrade and become a pro member, and I've got a lot of people who are pro members, most of them really stick on board. They don't downgrade much at all. Because they get the share codes, they get the value, they get what they need to run whatever businesses they're running. I like to make money on people regardless of what income opportunities they're involved in. I'm happy that people are jumping around if they want to jump around and go into different business opportunities, because they can use this one single platform to market whatever businesses they're involved in, and they get the value. When they become a pro member, they can see the value. And a lot of them have even teams of their own, so that their account is also being paid for. and therefore, they stay on board. So it's just lovely. It's a peace of mind. I've got various income streams like this that are just completely residual income, like a passive income. It's hands-free, and it's nice to have those kind of companies. It's great to have some cryptocurrency type businesses of other things and various other things going on. But you never know with some of those businesses if they're going to get you're going to get a rug pull or whatever, and suddenly the company goes down or whatever, some issue or whatever. But with a company like this, that's not part of some digital crypto or whatever, which I've got nothing against that. But in my experience, being in this industry for a long time, a lot of those businesses haven't lasted, and you always sort of feel put your head on the pillow at night, and you don't know how long those companies are going to last. And being a part of something like this and building something like this up over the long term, knowing that you've got a lot of people who are using the platform daily for running whatever business they are running, and you're happy about that, and that's great, and you're sharing out some good value, and you're making money out of that. It's wonderful. So I'm blessed. I love LeadsLeap. I've got nothing that I could say that I dislike about this. I just think it's a fabulous platform, and I know that this particular video was more centered around the money side, and I think that's important because that's the motivation to keep going with this. Not just the fact that we've got a wonderful set of tools here that we need anyway, and we use them, and I use these every day. I've got leads coming in, I've got people using my funnels, my share codes, and I use them myself, and I can advertise on this platform, and that's just what I need anyway to run my main primary businesses. But at the same time, you like to get the rewards, and these are the rewards, and I'm able to earn $1,000 a month with a great stable platform that's been around since 2008. How could anything be worse than that? I mean, this is just fabulous. So I look forward to welcoming you on board. Click the link below, get started. You will get access. Come to me, private message me. Okay, I'm not going to necessarily know who you are, because when the emails come in alerting me that someone's joined, I only see the username, and most people don't really put in the username that I can recognize. So get with me. If you need the value, you can get in touch, and I'd look forward to helping you out, guiding you, giving you the video training that we have, obviously, and giving you access to the share codes and so on. So look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next training video. Bye for now.